This question belongs to computer network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2023. So the question states, suppose in a web browser, you click on the www.gate2023.in URL. So this is the URL we are clicking in our web browser. The browser cache is empty, which means this page is not present in our browser. The IP address for this URL is not cached in your local host, which means we do not have this IP address for this URL. So we need to basically go to DNS. So a DNS lookup is triggered by the local DNS server deployed on your local host over a three-tiered DNS hierarchy. So we have three-tiered DNS hierarchy, which means root level DNS, authoritative DNS, top level server, and authoritative DNS servers. So we have three DNS servers in iterative mode. In iterative mode, which means one round trip type over here, one over here, and one over here. Okay. No resource records are cached anywhere across all DNS servers, which means in the root server, in top level server, and in authoritative server, there is no caching. Let RTT denote the round trip time. So RTT is basically the round trip time between your local host and the DNS servers in DNS hierarchy. The round trip time between the local host and the web server hosting the www.gate2023 is also equal to RTT. So which means we have three RTTs for this DNS, and then we have one RTT for getting our basically the web page from our server. Okay, the HTML file associated with the URL is small enough to have negligible transmission time and negligible rendering time by a browser. So rendering time equals to 0, and file transmission time equals to 0, which references 10 equally small objects on the web server. So we have 10 objects on the web server. Which of the following statement is correct about the minimum elapsed time between clicking on the URL and your browser fully rendering it? Okay, so we have to tell for the non-persistent and persistent HTTP. So non-persistent HTTP with 5 parallel TCP connections. Okay, so let us suppose in case of persistent, what will be the timing? So default mode will be like we will have 3 round trip time. 3 round trip time will be there for 3 round trip time will be there total. So how it will be? One for connection establishment, TCP connection establishment. Okay, one for 10 objects, sending these objects as sending HTTP file as 0, and one for connection termination. This is the default case. Okay, now let us see for the persistent and the non-persistent HTTP. See, in the iterative mode, this is for basically sending this connection only has 3 round trip time. Okay, but see, this DNS also has 3 round trip time. And in iterative mode, DNS has 3 round trip time. One for root server, one for top level server, and one for authoritative DNS server. So total in persistent HTTP with pipelining will be 3 for this, sending of 5 connection establishment, sending 10 objects, connection termination, and 3 for these DNS. So persistent has 6. So let us see. 5 for persistent with pipelining, no. 6 round trip time in case of persistent HTTP with pipelining. Yes, this is correct. Now let us see for the non-persistent HTTP how many round trip times will be there. Okay, so if we have the non-persistent HTTP connection, okay, so we will have 3 round trip time for iterative DNS as one for root server, one for top level server, and one for authoritative DNS server. Okay, and then we will have 2 round trip time in which one for connection, and 5 for TCP parallel images. Okay, and then we have another 2 round trip time. In this, one will be for connection and 5 for TCP parallel images. Okay, but here we will have 2 extra. Why 2 extra? As we need to have the 1 round trip time for connection initiation, for connection establishment, and 1 round trip time for connection termination. So let us count the total for non-persistent. 3 for DNS, 3 plus 2 for 5 images, plus 2 for another 5 images, 1 for connection establishment, and 1 for connection termination. So we have 3 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. 9 for non-persistent STP. So answer is option C and D are correct. 9 for non-persistent and 6 for persistent HTTP with pipelining.